You bring it so that let's validate. Bring it. It's so Omahin Mpocho Ako University of Ghana. Na atro. Na what's the for certificate? That's all. On your problem. Intel you patch pan obiba for back door. And me wafa no.
Are you inferring that?
No, I'm not inferring. Me patch there.
Are you inferring?
Omahin, I'm saying that. Yempe situation now. Obiba for back door.
Are you inferring?
Omahin, yempe back door. Yempe back door visit biade. Oh, mpocho. Come and face the vetting. Come prepared.
These inferences, na man for a pachoana.
Omahin menkadab no. So far, I can't say that. I'm saying there. Ereba, come prepared. Come prepared. If you know you are media shy, go through some grooming. Mamba kado you are not good in public communication. You communicate.
But when you're good in public communication,
then prepare. Why are you in public service?
Because I want to serve my country.
So be prepared for everything. You will face the public. Omahin, we would ask the relevant questions.